welcome back. It's Victoria, and this is Victoria's Makeup. Um, so I have another unboxing that I'm going to be doing. I haven't gotten my studio quite up to where I want it, so I'm in my bedroom because it's, once again, so much cleaner than the studio right now. So I am looking forward to getting that all set up, hopefully by the end of this month, and doing some new videos. I do plan on making a schedule for the videos, so that way I have certain weeks where I will do makeup. I will do unboxing if I have something to unbox that month, and then I'll do fashion, maybe some thrift shopping if you guys are interested in that. I knit as well, so if you guys want to see anything that I'm working on or just like a vlog, let me know. It's really gonna, hopefully it'll be like a schedule that I do, but if not, hopefully it'll be at least more often, more once a week kind of thing. So yeah, I'm in my bedroom right now. Snowball is right next to me, laying down, sleeping. There is probably going to be another video next week because I have a little bit of exciting news that's going on in our life other than the move. So stay tuned for that. If you like this channel or if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be informed when I do put up a new video. And yeah, let's get this video started. So I am gonna be doing an unboxing, and once again I got this from my friend Kelly. She runs a makeup group on Facebook for Canadians only. I want to be very clear about that. Canadians only. So if you're Canadian, the group is called Makeup Mania Mama, and she will often do draws. So what happens is you join the group, you go to topics, and she will have look here for bundles. You can go to the bundles. The current bundle that is going on right now is a Huda Beauty bundle. So you pay, instead of paying like $100 for a bunch of makeup, you pay, so this one is $18 a line, and it is a bingo. So you pick how many lines you want. It is great. I love it. I just won another one. So I want to give a big shout out to Kelly and Makeup Mania Mama, because you have been a great support for me. She gives me lots of tips and everything like that. Another great supporter that I have had is Roxanne. She has her own makeup channel as well, and I believe I have it in the link below. I know for sure the Makeup Mania Canada only group is in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out either before or after the video. So let's get started. I got a few. I'm actually going to dive into some Amazon products that I got. So I got a glitter primer because I have some loose glitters that I got. And it's really, it's actually kind of good. I liked it. I used it on my eyes today, and the glitter hasn't come off at all. It was very sticky, so that's good. I also got the Frior Matte Liquid Waterproof Eyeliners because I was needing a liquid liner in a blue, because I've tried using a pen before, and it didn't work. So either a liquid liner or gel liner or something like that is what I was looking for. Once I get this open. So I went ahead and ordered this off Amazon. Okay. Probably shouldn't have done that. My mom's always warning me, don't use your teeth to open things, Vicky. but sometimes I don't listen. So, haven't opened them yet. Haven't even used them or seen what they look like, so this is what they are. Sorry, I was just texting my boyfriend. It's been really cold here, so I'm trying to stay warm, but unfortunately my chronic pain has not taken to the cold so well. My leg's been super, super sore. Okay, so here it is. Here's the liquid liner. And this is kind of the color that I was wanting. But it also comes with other colors. So I'm just going to take this out and swatch it. This brush. So do a little patch test, make sure it doesn't irritate my skin. It is the blue that I was wanting, and it says it dries matte. So let's see. I'm going to try this brown color. It is color 06, I think. I'm not too sure. Some brushes seem to be nicer. This one seems to be a little nicer than the other one. So let's just swatch that. Well, it's a nice brown, actually. I don't see many brown liquid liners. And they've got some rosy colors in there and orange, so I'm really looking forward to doing some looks with these. So that's what they look like. Yeah, so it's been cold here in Dawson Creek, so my nose has been running, my legs have been sore. Yesterday, I don't know if I've mentioned in previous videos, but I have been getting iron infusions for the past 5 weeks, and yesterday was my last day. So I was really excited about that. But other than that, mostly moving has been what's been going on. And getting some stuff for my makeup room and studio. I also got from Amazon. So this is one of the other things I got from Amazon was these curtains that I plan to use in the background. So this is what they look like, and they would go on the wall behind me. So I'm really excited about that. They're not too much, so I'm going to put them on a ring, and then they'll be draping kind of behind. So I wanted to see how that was. I wanted to show you guys and share it with you. You can kind of see what's going in to the studio and have a little glimpse into some future styled videos, I'm hoping. So I'm just waiting for these to dry, but the blue one's already dried matte, if you can see that. Okay, now for the makeup unboxing. So, trying to remember what it was. I know she gave me a palette that had come broken in the mail, and I plan on doing a video with that, how you can fix your palettes. So this is the palette that came broken, and I'm hopefully going to do a video on how you can fix broken or broken eyeshadow palettes. So that is a video I plan on doing. So then I got some loose glitters. I haven't really been into glitters, but I'm very excited to use them and start using them more. So there is, I think they're supposed to be impressed. The one is slightly broken or loose. It's from It's Belle. So this is one. It is a purpley color, but it's coming off blue on camera. I don't know. Let's see if we can do it this way. I don't know if that's light or not, but it is a beautiful color. The next one is a blue as well with purple in it. This one's slightly broken, but once again, I will do a video on how you can fix your broken eyeshadows. Because sometimes they do come a little broken in the mail. That doesn't mean they're bad. So this one is the It's Belle as well. They're all three It's Belle. And it's a purpley pink kind of shade. And then I got 3 very loose eyeshadows, which I plan on giving to a friend of mine because these colors look amazing on her skin tone. So one is a very bright pink, like a neon pink. Pearly Gates Cotton Cloud is what it's called. This one is called Celestial. And it is just, they're stunning. And this one is called Divinity. And once again, it is stunning and absolutely beautiful. So, those are the single ones. And then I also got a palette as well. I absolutely love supporting my friends and supporting either local or Canadian based businesses and groups and stuff like that. So it was a pleasure to be able to get these from Kelly. So this is the palette. It is all glitter. Like I said, I don't have many glitters, and I am just so so some of these are singles, and it looks like they're in this palette. So I'm probably gonna give these to my friend Kayleen, and then maybe keep one. I'm gonna keep, oh, which one was it? Divinity? No. Yeah. I think it was Divinity that I was going to keep. Can't remember. Yeah. So, really excited about that. They are just beautiful. I'm going to swatch this one called Rose Water right here in the middle. Very creamy for glitter. That is just stunning. I believe they're duochromes as well, so they will look different in different lighting. So that is the unboxing video for today. Once again, if you like this video, if you want to see more, if you want to see what my studio makeup room looks like when it's finished, and like at the end of April, beginning kind of middle of May, keep watching. I will be having a surprise for you guys next week, so that is coming up. And yeah, stay warm, guys. I know it's spring, but I'm here in northern BC, and it's like -5. Feels like -10 out, kind of. I mean, it's warmer than yesterday. Yesterday felt like -18, but still. Have a good week. Have a good weekend. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. If you like my video, once again, click like, click the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to comment. I will read your comments, and I probably will reply. I love hearing feedback. I love hearing ideas on what you guys want to see. So keep me informed. Have a good day. Bye, guys.